If you've got a bag of frozen chicken wings in your freezer, I've got a super simple recipe for you to try out. We're making spicy sticky chicken wings. Use 1 kg of frozen chicken wings, or you can use drumettes like I'm using here. And these have been thawed. To this, add a 1/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of raw sugar, 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1½ teaspoons of black pepper powder, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Rub all these ingredients into the chicken really well, and then we're going to cover this and refrigerate for about 2 hours. Halfway through, like about 1 hour later, we're going to turn over the pieces in the marinade. Bring back the chicken to room temperature before baking and preheat your oven to 225 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to line a large enough baking dish with the chicken, and make sure you line the chicken in a single layer. You don't want those pieces overlapping so that they cook through consistently. And don't discard the marinade left in the bowl. We're going to use that later. So now we're going to bake this in the preheated oven for about 50 minutes. But at around the 30-minute mark, we're going to use that leftover marinade to baste the chicken pieces. So for this recipe, you don't need to flip over your chicken pieces, but you can if you like. I leave it like this, and after 50 minutes, the chicken is cooked tender. You might need to increase the cooking time depending on your oven temperature, and the chicken retains the sticky texture while the skin is slightly crisped, and it's really yummy. And I hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.